Hello viewers, you are welcome to Patrick TV. Today we will be discussing issues bothering around the sportsman, the celebrity and financial discipline. As usual, we have our renowned panelist, Mr. Patrick Abankaba, to discuss this with. Hi, you're welcome.
Thank you, Michael.
Yeah, so Patrick, I believe you're a sports commentator. I wanted to ask you, most often we have celebrities and professional sportsmen. So many people look up to these people, but often than not, you would hear that these people have gone bankrupt. They've lost all their money and they are literally begging. What do you think causes these things?
Okay, thank you, Michael. We need to understand that when you talk of sportsmen, they have the shortest lifespan when it comes to career. When you take someone like a teacher, someone can become a teacher at the age of 23 years. A person can be in teaching for the next 40 years.
Yeah.
A sportsman, when turns professional, let's say 18, 19 years, the maximum they can go is 33 years. So on average, you are looking at 20 years maximum for their career. So it's important that they do certain things right within these 20 years. Because whenever they go on retirement, the income that they will be getting week on week, they are not going to be getting it. And even the worst of all is when we have managers who have no knowledge about money and who are trying to handle our finances. It always leads to challenges, wrong investment. It always leads to even wrong donations. So to curb that worrying trend, they need to first of all understand that they need a competent financial advisor.
So this is a follow-up question. You know that these celebrities or sportsmen most often have managers, sometimes talent managers. Do you think it's prudent to have also a CFO manage you aside your talent? Because sometimes these talent managers still manage every aspect of their business.
Michael, it's a very, very big challenge that we are facing even in Africa. Don't forget that there was a research by ESPO in the UK, and they realized that professional footballers, when they go on retirement, the next 5 years they go into financial difficulties. Wow. When you go to America, NFL, 78% of them between 2 years after retirement, they file for bankruptcy. It means that there's an issue about those who are managing them. And most of these agents that we talk about, that you said talent managers, have no knowledge when it comes to money. So they need to delink the talent manager or the agent from someone who is managing their finances. Elsewhere, they have companies that just manage sportsmen when it comes to their finances. And you pay them and they make sure they do the right way. But in Africa and most part of even this country, we don't do that. And it's something that they need to understand and start doing going forward. Because once you become a professional, you need to get an agent, we understand. But the agent should just manage your profession. When it comes to your money, your financial manager should be in charge.
Super. Yeah. That's a good one. So this is a final question regarding celebrities and endorsements. Yeah, most often you see celebrities get endorsements from corporate organizations. Yeah, I wanted to ask you, do you think they must do a due diligence?
Thank you, Michael. That is where you even need the financial manager. Because the work for the financial manager is to be checking all these things. So when you get a contract, a company writes to you that, okay, I want you to come and endorse us, be a brand, a face for us. It is the duty of the financial manager to do the due diligence we talked about. But don't forget that when the company goes down, you also go down in one way or the other. When you have a sponsorship with a company that later engages in, let's say, a societal deviance. So let's say you have an endorsement of a company that now is supporting homosexuality, and people are not talking about it. It will go against you. But when the people are talking about it and the company is going down, don't forget your brand is also going down because you are part of the company. So it's important that these people that they employ will be doing the due diligence and be checking. Not every company that comes to you that will come and sponsor me or come and be my face, you have to go. Not just because of the money. You need to understand these things, and that's the duty of the financial manager for a celebrity or a sportsman.
Wow. So viewers, what was our takeaway? If you're a sportsman, you're a celebrity, make sure although you have a talent manager, you have a CFO. Thanks for watching, and this excerpt was brought to you by the Tune Purchasing, sole distributors of Kiss Me Energy Drink and New Executive School at Obong Road, Kaswa. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the program. Bye-bye.